Well, it's about time. Here we are, Monday, just after 4 p.m. As my wife and I were sitting, talking about going out for dinner, she says, "Oh, that's going to slow us down, huh?" I didn't even hear it. She heard the train. So dinner is on hold for an hour. She knows I need the footage. How you guys been? It's been like 5 days since the train have come through here. The last train was 5:02 and 5:01. They're currently heading south from Crivets down to Green Bay. I saw a picture earlier from Coleman. That only can mean that this is ELS 503. They just got done switching off their metal. I didn't have a chance to run down there. By the time I got out and ready to go, I figured it just wasn't worth it. So I figured we'd sit here and wait for them to come through East Kingsford, get some good train horn action. And I think maybe we'll run over to Iron Mountain and catch them through there. Crossing bells have started. Just one locomotive, obviously. Quite a bit of center beams back there. Looks like they may have gotten one gondola from Alter. Yeah, one gondola from Alter and a whole bunch of center beams. See a tanker stuck in there in the middle and a bunch of wood out on the end. think they've got a little faster speed than the last train that came north. I don't see much of a rock back there like normal. They could have had a crew out here working. I never would have known. Now they slowed down a little bit more than they were. Couple of pole pieces there are sticking out. You see those? Just randomly stuck out. Traffic jam down on that end where it should be. They have put out more barricades and more signs and more ways of trying to detour people, and it seems to be working. Anyway, now you've seen this side of the train, let's fly over to Iron Mountain, get on the other side to the only crossing in town where they will blow their horns. Iron Mountain is otherwise a no train horn zone. Everyone's always surprised when they don't blow through town, and not a whole lot of traffic. Fred. Oh man, Fred. Where did you go? Fred, where did you go? And that's kind of cool what I just seen. Normally when I sit down here, this is not exposed the way it is. Is that an old switch stand? Write in the comments below what that is. Is that an old switch stand? And if that's what it is, how did it get right next to all these rocks? That's a pretty cool shot, eh? Always a cool shot right here. And the only place in town where they will blow the air horn. Every other crossing is a no train horn zone. I don't know how this crossing makes the cut of places they can blow. A little windy on this side of town. Yeah, that wood has maintained itself pretty well. A lot of times by now there's hangars and empty spots and just places where it looked like there was wood and there's not anymore. Anyway, yeah, this is the first train in about 5 days, so making it hard to film content. No trains. Guys, make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. I did just post a video earlier, today, of Green Jello performing live. You should check that out. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool rock band from the 90s that came up here to put on a show. It was awesome. You guys have a great day, eh? Birds over there just swooping around that old smokestack.